1.25 millimeters hook, and milk cotton yarn. 5 chains dot, then make a magic ring. "15 double crochets inside the ring. Join the first 3 numbers to the chain. Round 2.2 chain. 2 chain equal to 1 double crochet closing parenthesis dot. Then 2 double crochets in each cell. That is 30 double crochets in 15 cells. Add the first 3 numbers to the chain. Round 3.2 chains, then double crochet at the base. Then a double crochet in the next room. Dot, then 2 double crochets in the next room. Then 1 double crochet in the next room. Round 402 chains, then a double crochet. A double crochet in the next space. Then another double crochet in the next. Point 2 double crochets in the next room. Round 5.2 chains, then a double crochet, 3 double crochets in the next 3 spaces, point 2 double crochets in the next room. Dot again, 3 double crochets in 3 consecutive spaces,